is Jordan Bernard, and I am a nurse practitioner, and I represent National Mental Health. National Mental Health is an outpatient care clinic that provides mental wellness strategies to patients in live and virtual settings via telepsychiatry. We opened our doors just a few weeks ago, and while it has been a difficult time to open a new practice, we believe that we could not have opened it at a better time because so many people need help right now. We offer patient-centered experiences and customized solutions to an array of behavioral and psychiatric conditions. Our technology makes pre-visit registration, appointment check-in, and your video appointment easy and user-friendly. By utilizing a smartphone or laptop, you save time, and our provider gathers important information for decision-making, which allows them to focus on what matters most during the appointment: you. Being an up-and-coming business during COVID-19 has presented unique challenges and opportunities. We have been fortunate to adapt to this situation for the benefit of our clients and offer services 100% online so we can provide the support you need. We utilize technology to make video sessions with our healthcare providers as easy as possible. Setup is quick and easy, and we have received great positive feedback about this process so far. We have instituted a temporary decrease in self-pay options during this COVID crisis to help our community get the resources they need to survive and thrive. We also accept most insurances. At National Mental Health, you are not a diagnosis, you are a person. We work with busy people who value using technology to make their lives easier and don't have time to drive to their appointments and jump through the hoops of a traditional psychiatry office. Using the most up-to-date technology and efficient processes, we connect you with one of our psychiatrists via secure meetings. Our psychiatrists genuinely enjoy what they do and have the resources to get you what you need when you need it. They are able to electronically prescribe your medication without you leaving your home within minutes, directly to your preferred pharmacy. Let us help you live your best life. Schedule on our website today at nationalmentalhealth.com. or call us at 720-310-2773. We are here to help.